Hello everyone, welcome to Swoon. My name's George and I'm going to show you the easiest way to tie a tie today. So we've got our sienna tie here. It's a really nice sort of burnt orange colour, goes really well with the greens and things you might have as your wedding theme. Perfect for sort of autumnal weddings, that sort of thing. Really nice orange colour there. So for this one, it's really simple. You want to start by looping your tie around the back of the neck there. And you want one end to be longer than the other one, so this wider end should be the longer of the two. You fold that wider end over the front of the other one, like so, and then take it back and back out the way you came, like that. Wrap that one over the top, and then up through the middle, like so. It's sticking out the top there. You then want to take your point back down through that loop to form your tie knot. There. Now if you need to tighten up this knot at all, you use the front one to do that. If you need to tighten it up to your top button, you use your back piece there to do that one. You can then tuck your ends in and fold your collar down. And there you have the 4-in-hand knot, or the most easy way to tie your tie.